Quality is not an act, it's a habit. Aristotle. At Quasar Medical, we stay true to quality on an ownable promise, where we turned excellence into our habit, leveraging 30 years of expertise and resilience, so that true quality is realized by continuously pushing innovation and adopting new technologies. We're committed to providing turnkey solutions that matter to increase competitiveness of our partners by scaling design, development, and assembly with utmost precision. With localized support, our 7,000 square meter clean room, 5 facilities, and 1,500 employees, giving attention to detail and being one step ahead of our partners. Everything we do is driven by passion and integrity, while focused on the ultimate goal of saving lives now. Quasar Medical. True to quality.